Sheep are among the most valuable of all domestic animals. Its scientific name is Ovis aries. Sheep are raised for wool, milk, and meat. Sheep's wool is considered one of the most widely used animal fiber and is usually harvested through shearing. The process of removing the sheep's fleece along with a thin layer of skin is called shearing. Sheep are generally located in arid zones having low rainfall and which are poor in agriculture. Most of the sheep in India are raised in regions which are too dry, too stony, or too mountainous for other agricultural purposes or for cattle raising. Himachal Pradesh is one such region where sheep are reared in large numbers. Himachal Pradesh and its surrounding states comprises with nearly 5 million of wool producing sheep. In this state, 27% of sheep are migratory and 73% are stationary. The Chamba and Kulu sheep are valued for superior fleece. Rampur Bushari is an important sheep breed in the Himalayan region of Himachal Pradesh. The breeding tract of the breed runs across three districts, namely Lahaul Spiti, Kinnaur, and Shimla in Himachal Pradesh. Gaddi and Rampur Bushari breeds are being reared by Gaddi community in Himachal Pradesh. The wool produced by these local sheep in the state has been considered to be the best in the country so far as the quality of indigenous sheep wool is concerned. Recently, Himachal Pradesh has launched a project for the genetical improvement of indigenous sheep and goat species in Chamba and Mandi districts. This would help preserving the gene pool of the native breed species.
The domestic yak is a long-haired domesticated cattle found throughout the Himalayan region of the Indian subcontinent. They are confined in the high-altitude terrains of Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and West Bengal. Its scientific name is Bos grunins. Domesticated yaks have been kept for thousands of years primarily for their milk, fiber, and meat. Their dry droppings are an important fuel used all over Tibet and are often the only fuel available on Tibet. They transport goods across mountains passes for local farmers and traders as well as for climbing and trekking expeditions. Yaks in Himachal Pradesh have come down to 1940 in 2019 and to 2921 in 2012, a fall of 33.58% here. They serve as the beasts of burden in Spiti, Lahaul, and parts of Chamba. Yak rearing is an eco-friendly livelihood for nomads who migrate to higher altitude during summer and return to lower altitudes at about 3000 meters above sea level during winters. This ensures that their animals remain in almost same ambient temperature all through the year. This traditional migratory pattern is getting distributed with changing weather patterns. Yak, the lifeline of pastoral nomads in high altitude of the Indian Himalayan region, is facing the threat of gradually rising temperatures in the region.
Namaste to all. I am Mitran and I am a student of Purnani Bhavans. I am here to speak about white-bellied musk deer. White-bellied musk deer or Himalayan musk deer is a musk deer species occurring in the Himalayas of India, Bhutan, Nepal, China and Pakistan. It is listed as endangered on International Union of Conservation of Nature Red List due to overexploitation resulting to a probable serious population decline. Its scientific name is Mostus leucocastor. White-bellied musk deer are very well adapted for high altitudes. They demonstrate such adaptations as well developed dew calves. Broad toes that provide increased stability on steep slopes and a dense coat of coarse hairs with air-filled cells to insulate against the extreme temperature. It was previously considered a subspecies of the alpine musk deer, but was separated on the basis of different skull proportions. During the day, white-bellied musk deer hide in dense cover and are shy and secretive. At night, they emerge to feed in more open habitats and preferably select leaves of trees and shrubs with high protein and low fiber contents. During the winter, they subsist on poorer quality lichens and even climb small trees to feed upon leaves that would otherwise be out of reach.
Himachali Pahari cow. Himachali Pahari is drought breed of Himachal Pradesh, which is also known as Pahari, Desi, Local, Gauri, and Himdenu. The breeding tract includes Chamba, Kangra, Kullu, Mandi, Shimla, and Spiti districts of Himachal Pradesh. The animals have moderate drought performance, capability to work on narrow, sloppy, undulating, hilly terrain. This breed is adapted to mountain topography, extremely cold climate, and fodder scarcity. Coat color of this breed is primarily black and blackish brown. Animals are small to medium sized with compact cylindrical body, short legs, medium hump, horizontally placed and comparatively long tail. Horns are medium sized, mainly curved in lateral and upward direction. This breed is mainly used for milk, draught, manure, and urine. Animals are maintained on extensive management system and reared on grazing. The milk yield is low with an average of 538 kg per location, with an average milk fat is 4.68%. Himachal Pradesh government has achieved big success with the recognition of Pahari cow at national level. This was stated by Animal Husbandry and Fishery Minister Virendra Kumar here on Monday. This breed has been included in the list of recognized breeds of country by National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources. National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources has approved and registered Himachali Pahari as first indigenous cattle breed of the state. The government has applied for the registration of this cow breed under the name Gauri.
Trout fishery in Himachal has been introduced in 600 km riverine length at higher altitudes of cold water streams in snow-fed rivers of Beas, Setluj and Ravi, which are most conducive for trout farming in hilly region. Trout fish require still water, which is available in the upper region of Himachal Pradesh at a height more than 10,000 feet above the sea level. Himachal Pradesh, with its 5 rivers and numerous streams and reservoirs, have as a big potential for fish production, say experts. Presently, around 50% of trout produced is being sold outside the state, mainly in 5-star hotels in New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, etc. So there are different types of trout fish in Himachal Pradesh, but the most famous is Kashmir rainbow trout fish at risk 700 per kilogram. And also some other trout fishes are there, rohu, mashir fishing, etc. The State Fisheries Department is also providing trout insurance to the trout growers.